Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Now this first one looks like it involves a styrofoam ball and some thumbtacks. So they're kind of layering them here. Wow, that is really pretty. Kind of looks like a snake skin. Am I the only one seeing that? Oh. So she made like a decorative spear here. This is gorgeous. It has a nice texture and then the gold color really just enhances the look even further. Now, I'm not sure how long this took her to do, but I absolutely love this concept. You could do like silver thumbtacks, mix them with gold or white or silver. That's a really cool idea. So the next DIY involves some popsicle sticks. Now, if I had to guess, I'd say they are definitely making some kind of mirror design here. So they have the twine going. Oh, I love the way that this came out. Very cool. And you could spray paint those popsicle sticks to give it a bit more color, put your own spin on it. Or leave it as is and go with the neutral trend. All right, so next up we have a bit of a fall DIY. Now what I like about this particular one is that these little pumpkins are so cute. I feel like they could actually, be up all year round. You could also hang them up if you wanted to. So I'm not quite sure what they're using here in order to create the pumpkin shape. So they do put the fairy lights in here and then kind of wrap it around to give it that round shape. Now I wonder if you could create like different, shapes and stuff if you did want to keep this up year round, but you didn't want it to look like, pumpkinish. You could just keep them like rounded and just have like a nice little like circle, because she does add something to the top to, create more of that pumpkin look. Looks like she just added a stick there. Oh, this is so pretty. I love her side table. Oh, actually that's a fireplace. Huh. Looks like she DIY'd that too, honestly. But this is really cool. Yeah, this would look so pretty, like hanging up, and then like I said, you don't have to add that stick at the top, and it can just be like a nice little circular, decor piece. I love this idea. Very pretty. All right, so we have a frame for the next one. Looks like they got this frame from IKEA. Oh, they have a piece of art here. Doing the line art trend. And she's placing that on some burlap and then framing it back up. Nice, simple wall art. Or a lot of the times people just, you know, place this on the table. Yep, that's what she ended up doing. Very cute. But you could totally hang these up too if you wanted to. All right, so the next DIY is going to feature a table. These are all the items she used for this. I love watching the table-inspired DIY projects. They're just so much fun to watch. It's just crazy to see like what people can transform and come up with. So she uses a nice wood stain, which is honestly refreshing because most of the time when I see these table DIYs, people end up doing like ivory and neutral colors. So I like to see the nice mix up of using like a nice wood stain. It does give it more of like a natural element in my personal opinion. And most of the time for the top, you can use a cutting board. I've seen that quite often with these projects. Now, I actually like the two-tone coloring, but she does go in here and stain the bottom. I think black would have looked great too, with that wood stain. This is so pretty. It looks like a nice, like, aged table design. Beautiful piece. Oh, looks like we have another table DIY. Or maybe this is still from that same one, because these are, oh no, it is. So she's probably gonna do something similar. I feel like this is the go-to DIY table right now. Okay, so yeah, she went with ivory, the go-to color. I would actually like to see this in like pink. That would be really cool to see, like a light pink or purple pastel. Oh, she's painting it. She's painting it brown. Ooh, I love the chocolate color. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I even like this more than the wood stain, honestly. This chocolate brown is just stunning. And I like the way she decorated it too. The Chanel book and a candle holder. Oh, this is so pretty. Definitely my aesthetic with the black and white here. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed my DIY reactions to today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.